This is Kip from Venus Hum, and I'm going to show you how to make this sound from our version of I Feel Love. This is how you make the patch. As usual, I put a post-it note on every part of the synth I've used. No post-it note, I haven't used that part of the synth. This sound uses one oscillator. Take VCO1 and set it to 32 feet. We're going to choose a square wave and set our pulse width to 12 o'clock. Set VCO1's level to 10 in your mixer. Set your low-pass filter's cutoff frequency at about 4.4 and your peak at about 8.1. The high-pass cutoff frequency is about 5.2 and the peak's about 8.8. Now turn up the cutoff frequency from the filters to envelope 2. Turn it up all the way. Two things are left. First, let's set the envelope. Attack is around 0.04. Decay is around 3.4. Sustain's around 5. And the release is about 4. The final step is to add 2 instances in series of Eventide's black hole reverb. Here's the first one. And now the second. That's how you make the ping bass in Venus Hum's version of I Feel Love.